Now this is set 30/5/1. This set has come in 2024 in the month of March. This is section A. This section comprises multiple choice questions, MCQs of 1 mark each. Its first question is, the next fourth term, root 18, root 50, root 98 is, there are 4 options. Now root 18 can be written as 3 root 2, root 50 can be written as 5 root 2, root 98 can be written as 7 root 2. Its next term will be 9 root 2. So the fourth term is equal to 9 root 2, and this thing can be written as root 162. So C is the option. Its second question is, if x by 3 is equal to 2 sin A, y by 3 is equal to 2 cos A, then find the value of x square plus y square. And there are 4 options. Now x by 3 is equal to 2 sin A, it means x is equal to 6 sin A. Y by 3 is equal to 2 cos A, it means y is equal to 6 cos A. Now squaring and adding, we will have x square plus y square. That will be 6 sin A whole square plus 6 cos A whole square. When you solve this, you will get 36 sin square A plus 36 cos square A. Take 36 common, you will have sin square A plus cos square A in the bracket. This is 1, so 36 into 1. The answer is 36, so A is the option. Now the third question, if 4 sec theta minus 5 is equal to 0, then value of cot theta is, again there are 4 options here. 4 sec theta is 5, sec theta is 5 by 4. Now write the formula, sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Instead of sec theta, write 5 by 4. So we'll have 5 by 4 whole square minus tan square theta is equal to 1. It means 9 by 16 is equal to tan square theta. Tan theta is 3 by 4. So cot theta is 4 by 3. So D is the option. Now the fourth question is, which out of the following type of straight lines will be represented by the system of equations 3x plus 4y is equal to 5 and 6x plus 8y is equal to 7? Now there are 4 options: parallel lines, intersecting line, coincident line, and perpendicular to each other. Now we have these 2 equations, 3x plus 4y is equal to 5. It means 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. So we have these 2 equations, 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. 6x plus 8y minus 7 is equal to 0. Now this is A1, this is A2, this is B1, this is B2, this is C1, this is C2. Now here A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. This is what I have written here. Now here 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is not equal to 5 by 7. It means we have A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. And this is a condition of a parallel lines. So A is the option. Now the fifth question. The ratio of the sum and product of the roots of the equation 5x square minus 6x plus 21 is equal to 0 is, there are 4 options. 5x square minus 6x plus 21 is equal to 0. Let alpha beta are the roots of the quadratic equation. Now here sum of the roots is 6 by 5, product of the roots is 21 by 5. I am to find its ratio. So I'll write 6 by 5 ratio 21 by 5. It means 6 ratio 21, that is 2 ratio 7. So B is the option. Now the sixth question. For the data 2, 9, x plus 6, 2x plus 3, 5, 10, 5. If the mean is 7, then the value of x. Now there are 4 options. Mean of the above data is 2 plus 9 plus x plus 6 plus 2x plus 3 plus 5 plus 10 plus 5 upon 7 is equal to 7. Now solve this. You will get value of x as 3. So D is the option. Now the 7th question is, one ticket is drawn at random from a bag containing tickets numbered 1 to 40. The probability that the selected ticket has a number which is multiple of 7. Now there are 4 options. In a sample space there are 40 numbers. It means the numbers which are multiple of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28 and 35. They are 5 in numbers. So probability of getting a number which is multiple of 7 is, that is 1 by 8. So B is the option. Now the 8th question. The perimeter of the sector of a circle of radius 21 cm which subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center of the circle is. There are 4 options. Now we are to find the length of the arc. So the formula is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. We know the value of theta, we know the r. and it will come out to be 22. We are to find the perimeter of the sector. That will be 21 plus 21 plus 22. So answer is 64 centimeter. So C is the option. Now the ninth question. The length of an arc of a circle with radius 12 centimeter is 10 pi centimeter. The angle subtended by the arc at the center of the circle is. There are four options. Length of the arc theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Now length of the arc is given 10 pi. This is equal to theta by 360 2 pi r. R is, we have r, we don't have theta. So after solving this, we will get the value of theta. That will be 150 degree. So D is the option. Now the 10th question. The greatest number which divides 281 and 1249, leaving remainder 5 and 7 respectively. First we will subtract 5 from this number and 7 from this number. Then we find the HCF of those two numbers. That will be the result. So 281 minus 5 is 276 and 1249 minus 7 is 1242, and then factorize it and factorize this number, and the HCF will be 2 into 3 into 23. So you will get 138. So C is the option. Now the 11th question. The number of terms in the AP 3, 6, 9, 12 up to 111 is, there are four options. Now this is an AP. Here A is 3, D is 6 minus 3, that is 3, AN is 111. Write the formula for AN, that is A plus N minus 1D. Substitute the values and you will be able to find the value of N. That will come out to be 37. So C is the option. Now the question number 12. A chord of a circle of radius 10 cm subtends a right angle at its center. The length of the chord in centimeter is. Now you will draw this figure. In this figure we have this angle 90 degree and we are to find the length of this chord. Now first we will find these two angles. Since this angle is 90 degree, these two angles will be 45 degree, 45 degree. And now draw this perpendicular on this line and we will discuss this triangle and we will be able to find the length of AD. Double of this length will be equal to the length of this AB. Now in triangle OAD, AD by OA is equal to cos 45 degree. AD by 10 is equal to 1 by root 2. So length of AD will be 5 root 2. Now AD is 5 root 2. AB is 2 times AD. Because perpendicular from the center to the chord bisects the chord. It means this is equal to, AB is equal to 2AD, that is equal to 2 5 root 2 and that is equal to 10 root 2. So B is the option. Now the 13th question. The LCM of three numbers 28, 44, 132 is. There are four options here. Now factorize it. 28 can be written as 2 raised to power 2 into 7. 44 can be written as 2 raised to 2 into 11. 132 can be written as 2 raised to power 2 into 3 into 11. Then LCM of these three numbers will be 2 raised to power 2 into 11 into 3 into 7. That is 924. So D is the option. Now the 14th question. If the product of two co-prime numbers is 553, then their HCF is. Now there are four options. Now 553 can be written as 7 into 79. So HCF of 7 and 79 is 1. So A is the option. Now 15th question. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial px, kx square minus 30x plus 45k and alpha plus beta is equal to alpha beta, then the value of k is. There are four options. Now let alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial. This alpha plus beta is equal to 30 by k, alpha beta is equal to 45. Now since alpha plus beta is equal to alpha beta, it means 30 by k is equal to 45. So 45k is equal to 30. Value of k is 2 by 3. So D is the option. Now the 16th question. In the given figure, RJ and RL are two tangents to the circle. If RJL is 42 degree, then the measure of JOL is. Now this figure is given to us. In this figure, this angle is 42 degree. Now OJ is perpendicular to RJ. It means this whole angle is 90 degree. So you will be able to find the angle 1. And if angle 1 is 48 degree, then angle 2 will be 48 degree. When you know these two angles, you will be able to find the third one, which is JOL. This is what I have written here. Now OJR is 90 degree. So angle 1 is 90 degree minus 42, that is 48 degree. Tangent to the circle is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. Now angle 2 is 48 degree because OJ is equal to OL is equal to radius. Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So angle JOL is 180 degree minus 48 plus 48, that is 180 minus 96, that is 84 degree. So B is the option. Now 17th question. In the given figure in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. If AD is 2.4 cm, DB is 4 cm, AE is 2 cm, then the length of AC is. Now AD is given 2.4 cm, DB is given 4 cm, AE is given 2 cm, and we are to find the length of AC. Let it be x. It means EC will be x minus 2 cm. Since DE is parallel to BC, so AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. We have all these values, so substitute the values, find the value of x. It will be 16 by 3, so C is the option. Now 18th question. In a vertical pole of length 7.5 meter, cast a shadow 5 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower cast a shadow 24 meter long, that the height of the tower is. Now this is a vertical pole and this is a tower, and length of this vertical pole is 7.5 meter and it cast a shadow which is 5 meter long. And here this is a tower, the height of the tower is h meter and it cast a shadow 24 meter long. Now these two are similar triangles. If sides are proportional, then it means you take the help of this. AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. Take the help of this, substitute the values, you will find the value of H, which is 36 meter. So D is the option. Question number 19 and 20 are assertion and reason based questions. Two statements are given, one labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Select the correct answer to these questions from the codes A, B, C, D. Code A. Both assertion A and reason R are true, and reason R is the correct explanation of assertion A. B. Both assertion A and reason R are true, but reason R is not the correct explanation of assertion A. C. Assertion A is true, but reason R is false. And D. Assertion A is false, but reason R is true. Question number 19. Assertion A. ABCD is a trapezium with DC parallel to AB. E and F are points on AD and BC respectively, such that EF is parallel to AB. Then AE upon ED is equal to BF upon FC. Now this assertion A is a true statement. I have given the proof of this statement here. If you want to see the proof of it, you can check it from here. Reason R. Any line parallel to parallel sides of a trapezium divides the non-parallel sides proportionally. Now again, this is a true statement. Both are true statements, and reason R is a correct explanation of assertion A. So A is the option. Now 20th question, assertion A. Degree of a zero polynomial is not defined. And this is a true statement. Reason R. Degree of a non-zero constant polynomial is 0. And again, this is a true statement. Both the statements are true, but reason R is not the correct explanation of assertion A. So B is the option. Now section B. This section comprises very short answer type questions of 2 marks each. 21st question A part. If two tangents are inclined at an angle of 60 degree are drawn to the circle of radius 3 cm, then find the length of each tangent. Now this is the figure. What we have seen, this angle is 90 degree. Why this angle is 90 degree? Because radius is perpendicular to tangent at the point of contact. If this angle is 90 degree, moreover, one more thing is there. If this angle is 60 degree, then this angle and this angle both are equal. Why? Because this triangle and this triangle, they are congruent. If they are congruent, then CPCT से हमें क्या पता चलता है कि angle 1 is 30 degree and angle APO is 30 degree. So I am going to consider this triangle. Here angle 1 is 30 degree and this is the base This is hypotenuse because 90 degree के सामने वाली line hypotenuse होती है, and this is the radius. So I am going to discuss this triangle and then I'll find the length of PB. Now in triangle OPB, OB by PB is tan 30 degree. 3 by PB is 1 by root 3. PB is 3 root 3. We know tangents drawn from an external point to the circle are equal. So P is equal to PB is equal to 3 root 3. That is the answer. Now 21st question B part. Prove that the tangent drawn at the ends of a diameter of a circle are parallel. Now this is the circle. Tangents are drawn at the end points of the diameter. We have to prove PQ is parallel to RS. Now here again tangent is perpendicular to radius at the point of contact. Now it means angle 1 is 90 degree, angle 2 is 90 degree, and both are alternate angles. Since alternate angles are equal, so lines are parallel. So this is what I have written here. You can check it. Now 22nd question, evaluate this. You know the values of all these. Tangent 30 degrees 1 by root 3, sec 60 degree that is 1 by root 3, tan 45 degrees 1, sin 60 degrees root 3 by 2. Just solve this, you will get 4 root 3 upon 3. Now 13th question, if alpha beta are the zeros of the polynomial px, then find the value of alpha plus alpha beta. Now alpha beta are the zeros of the polynomial this. Write the sum of the zeros, write the product of the zeros, substitute the values in this equation, and then you will get 7 by 5. That is the answer. Now 24th question A part. Find the ratio in which the point P minus 4, 6 divides the line segment joining the points A and B. Now these are the 2 points. This is point P which is minus 4, 6, and this divides this in the ratio K ratio 1. Now you know how to find it. Now 3K minus 6 upon K plus 1 is equal to minus 4. And here you will be able to find the value of K, which is 2 by 7. It means P divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2 ratio 7. 24th question B part. Prove that the points this and this are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. So these are the vertices of a triangle. You have to find the length of AB, BC and AC. Now AB will come out to be 5 units, BC will come out to be 5 root 2 units, and CA will come out to be 5 units. Length of two sides is equal. So we have proved that they are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. 25th question. A carton consists of 60 shirts of which 48 are good, 8 have major defects and 4 have minor defects. Nigam, a trader, will accept the shirts which are good, but Anmol, another trader, will only reject the shirts which have major defects. One shirt is drawn at random from the carton. Find the probability that it is acceptable to Anmol. Now total shirts for 60, good shirts 48, shirts with major defect is 8, shirts with minor defect is 4. So Anmol rejects shirts with major defect. So he will accept shirts which are good and which has minor defects. So he will accept 48 good shirts plus 4 shirts with the minor defect. That means he will select 52. He will select 52 shirts. So probability shirts are acceptable by Anmol is 52 by 60. That is 13 by 15. So answer is 13 by 15. Now this is section C. This section comprises short answer type questions of 3 marks each. Question number 26. Prove that root 3 is an irrational number. Let root 3 is a rational number. It means root 3 can be written as a by b where a and b are co-prime. And cross multiplied, root 3b is equal to a. Squaring both sides, 3b square is equal to a square. It means 3 divides a square, 3 divides a. Now if 3 divides a, then a can be written as 3c. A square is equal to 9c square. Squaring both sides, we will get a square is equal to 9c square. Now a square, instead of a square, we can write 3b square. So instead of a square, write 3b square is equal to 9c square. B square is equal to 3c square. It means 3 divides b square. So 3 divides b. It means 3 divides a as well as b. It implies a and b have at least 3 as a common factor. But a and b are co-prime. So our assumption is wrong. So under root 3 is an irrational number. Now 26th question B part. Prove that root 2 plus root 3 whole square is an irrational number given that root 6 is an irrational number. Root 2 plus root 3 whole square, write the identity. You will have 5 plus 2 root 6. So I am going to prove 5 plus 2 root 6 is an irrational number. Now we will prove 5 plus 2 root 6 is an irrational number. Let this be a rational number. If it is a rational number, it means 5 plus 2 root 6 is equal to a by b, where a and b are co-prime and b is not equal to 0. And 2 root 6 is equal to a by b minus 5. Root 6 is equal to 1 by 2 a minus 5b upon b. And root 6 is equal to a minus 5b upon 2b. Now this is an irrational number. This is a rational number. Irrational number cannot be equal to rational number. So our assumption is wrong. So 5 plus 2 root 6 is an irrational number. Now 27th question A part. If the sum of first 14 terms of an AP is 1050 and the first term is 10, then find the 20th term and the nth term. Now formula for Sn is n by 2 2a plus n minus 1d. Here n is 14 and a is 10. So substitute the values, these two values, and you will have S14 is equal to 14 by 2 2a plus 14 minus 1d. So S14 is given 1050 and this is equal to 720 plus 13d. And you will have 1050 upon 7 is equal to 20 plus 13d. From here you will be able to find the value of d, which will be come out to be 10. And a is 10, d is 10. So we will find a20, that is a plus 19d. That will come out to be 200. Since we have to find the nth term also, so an is equal to a plus n minus 1d. A here is 10 and d here is 10. A 10 plus n minus 1d, that is 10 plus 10n minus 10, that is 10n. So nth term is 10n. 27th question B part. The first term of an AP is 5, the last term is 45 and the sum of all the terms is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference of the AP. Now here A is 5, last term L, which is an, is equal to 45, Sn is given 400. Write the formula for Sn, that is n by 2a plus L. Now substitute the values. You will be able to find the value of n. And here is 16. So there are 16 terms. An is 45. A plus n minus 1d is 45. A is 5 and n is 16. I am to find d. So common difference will come out to be 8 by 3. So that is the answer. Now 28th question. Prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. Now we will draw this figure here. Now here it is a circle and this is a parallelogram, and parallelogram is subscribing this circle, and this point is A, B, C, D and this point is P, Q, R, S. हमें क्या prove करना है? This parallelogram is a rhombus. And how we will prove that it is a rhombus? We have to prove AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Then this is a parallelogram which is a rhombus. If we prove all the sides are equal, then it is a rhombus. Now ABCD is a parallelogram circumscribing a circle. This is given to us. To prove ABCD is a rhombus, it means we have to prove AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Now proof ABCD is a parallelogram. It means opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to DC, BC is equal to AD. Now AP is equal to AS. This AP is equal to this AS. PB is equal to BQ. And RC is equal to CQ. And DR is equal to DS. So this we know. Why? Tangents drawn from an external point to the circle are equal. Now add all this and add all this. You will have this. Now AP plus PB, इसको एक ब्रैकेट में रखो. RC plus DR एक ब्रैकेट में, AS plus DS in one bracket and BQ and CQ in one bracket. So this is equal to AB, this is equal to CD, this is equal to AD and this is equal to BC. So instead of CD, write AB. Instead of AD, write BC. So this is 2 times AB, this is 2 times BC. It means AB is equal to BC. And from here 1 and from here 2. We have AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. So all the sides are equal. So ABCD is a rhombus. 29th question. Prove that tan A upon 1 minus cot A plus cot A upon 1 minus tan A is equal to 1 plus sec A cosec A. First change tan A into sin A by cos A, cot A into cos A by sin A. Here I have changed it. Now in the next line I have taken the LCM of this, which is this. And in the next line I have solved this first and solved this first. Now this thing can be written as this thing can be written as this. Now you will have sin square A upon cos A, sin A minus cos A plus cos square A upon sin A, cos A minus sin A. यहाँ पर पहले आप माइनस कॉमन लोगे और इसको sin A माइनस cos A बनाओगे. उसके बाद आपने LCM लेना है. तो मैंने यहाँ पर एक स्टेप बीच में छोड़ के इसको फास्ट कर दिया है. तो आपके पास आएगा sin A cos A, sin A minus cos A. Here in the numerator you will have sin cube A minus cos cube A. इसकी मैंने फॉर्मूला लिखा है. तो यहाँ से ये और ये आपका कैंसिल हो जाता है और यहाँ पर sin square A प्लस cos square A आपका 1 हो जाएगा प्लस sin A cos A अपॉन sin A cos A. This can be written as 1 over sin A cos A plus sin A cos A upon sin A cos A. तो ये नेक्स्ट पेज पे मैंने इसको सॉल्व किया. सो आपके पास ये आ गया था. This thing can be written as 1 over sin A cos A plus sin A cos A upon sin A cos A. This and this is cancelled. You will have 1 over sin A into 1 over cos A plus 1. This is cosec A sec A plus 1. This is 1 plus sec A cosec A. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. 30th question. 3 unbiased coins are tossed simultaneously. Find the probability of getting at least one head, exactly one tail, 2 heads and 1 tail. When 3 unbiased coins are tossed, you will have these things in the sample space. They are 8 in number. So probability at least one head is 7 by 8. Probability exactly one tail 3 by 8. Probability 2 heads and 1 tail, that is 3 by 8. 31st question. An arc of circle of radius 10 cm subtends a right angle at the center of the circle. Find the area of the corresponding major sector. Now here you are going to take value of pi as 3.14. Now here theta is 90 degree, r is 10. Area of minor sector is theta by 360 pi r square. You will get 78.5 centimeter square. Now area of major sector, that is pi r square minus area of minor sector. So this is equal to 314 upon 100 into 10 minus 78.5. That is 314 minus 78.5. That is equal to 235.5 centimeter square. So that is the answer. Now section D. This section comprises long answer type questions of 5 marks each. 32nd question A part. Find the value of k for which the quadratic equation this, where k is not equal to minus 1, has real and equal roots. Now if it has real and equal roots, it means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So here b is equal to minus 6k plus 1 and a here is k plus 1, c here is 3k plus 9. So substitute these values here in b square minus 4ac. So you will get 36k plus 1 whole square minus 12k square plus 10k plus 9. If you multiply these two, you will get this. And here write the identity 36k square plus 1 plus 2k minus 12k square minus 122k minus 120k minus 108 is equal to 0. Now this is equal to 36k square plus 36 plus 72k minus 12k square minus 120k minus 108 is equal to 0. And after solving this, you will get 24k square minus 48k minus 72 is equal to 0. Take 12 common, you will have 2k square minus 4k minus 6 is equal to 0. So you will have 2k square minus 4k minus 6 is equal to 0. Factorize it. Split the middle term. 2k square minus 6k plus 2k minus 12 is equal to 0. So two factors you are going to have is k minus 6, 2k plus 2 is equal to 0. If 2k plus 2 is 0, then 2k is equal to minus 2, then k is equal to minus 1, which is not possible because it is written in the question k is not equal to minus 1. So value of k is equal to 6. So k is equal to 6. That is the answer. If you put k is equal to 6 in the equation, and you will find it has two equal roots. Now 32nd question B part. The age of a man is twice the square of the age of his son. 8 years hence, the age of the man will be 4 years more than 3 times the age of his son. Find their present age. Suppose son's age is x, father's age is twice the square of the age of his son. It means father's age is 2 times x square. Now 8 years hence, son's age will be x plus 8. Father's age will be 2x square plus 8. Now according to the statement of the question, you will see you will have 2x square plus 8 is equal to 3, x plus 8 plus 4. Now solve this equation. You will have a quadratic equation 2x square minus 3x minus 20 is equal to 0. Split the middle term. You have two factors. You will have two factors, x minus 4, 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So either you will have x is equal to 4 or x is equal to minus 5 by 2. This is not possible because this is negative. So son's age is 4 years. Father's age will be 2 times 4 square, that is 2 into 16, that is 32 years. So that is the age of his son, 4 years. Father's age at present is 32 years. Now the question number 33. From a point on a bridge across the river, the angles of depression of the banks on opposite sides of the river are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. If the bridge is at a height of 4 meter from the banks, find the width of the river. Now you can draw this figure. Now this is the width of the river. I am to find its width. Now let BD is x, DC is y. And angle of depression is 30 degree and 60 degree. If this angle is 30 degree, this is 30 degree, this is 60 degree, this is 60 degree. The height of the bridge is 4 meter. Now I am going to discuss this triangle and this triangle. The ADB is a right angle triangle, ADC is a right angle triangle. 4 upon x is equal to tan 30, 4 upon y is equal to tan 60. And from there I'll get the values of x and y. If we add them, I'll get the width of the bridge. This is what I have done here. In triangle ADB, h upon x is equal to tan 30 degree. H is height of the bridge, which is 4. 4 upon x is 1 by root 3. So x is equal to 4 root 3. And in triangle ADC, h upon y is equal to tan 60 degree. So h here is 4. 4 upon y is root 3. H 4 upon root 3 is equal to y. So value of y is 4 upon root 3. So I have these two values. Add them. You will get 16 upon root 3. Rationalize it. So width of the river will come out to be 16 root 3 upon 3. That is the answer. Now 34th question A part. In the given figure, triangle FEC is congruent to triangle GDB and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Prove that triangle AD is similar to triangle ABC. Now this figure is given to us, in which angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This is given to us. Moreover, this triangle and this triangle, they are congruent, and this is given to us. I am to prove ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Now see, triangle FEC is congruent to triangle GDB. So this line is equal to this line by CPCT. Moreover, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. It means AD is equal to AE. AE is equal to AD. Divide these two lines. You will have AE upon EC is equal to AD upon BD. If AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC, it means DE is parallel to BC. If this is parallel to this, it means angle 1 is equal to angle 3, angle 2 is equal to angle 4. So angle 1 is equal to angle 3, angle 2 is equal to angle 4. In triangle ADE and triangle ABC, angle 1 is equal to 3, 2 is equal to 4, angle A is equal to angle A. So AA criteria of similarity, both the triangles are similar. 34th question B part. Sides AB and AC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and PR and median PM of another triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now here AB upon PQ, AC upon PR and AD upon PM, they are proportional. So this upon this is equal to this upon this is equal to AD upon PM. So this is given to us. I am to prove this ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is what I want to prove. And in this we have done a construction. आप AD को E तक produce करोगे so that AD is equal to DE and join this EC. सिमिलरली आप इसमें PM को MF तक प्रोड्यूस करोगे, so that PM is equal to MF and join this RF. And this is what we have done this in the construction. In proof, first we are going to prove this triangle and this triangle, ABD and ECD, they both are congruent. How? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, BD is DC, and AD is equal to DE by construction. So by SAS, these two triangles are congruent. Similarly, these two triangles are congruent. So CPCT में आपके पास आ जाएगा AB is equal to EC and PQ is equal to RF. So this is what I have written here. कि first we have proved both the triangles are congruent. उस congruency कैसे प्रूव किया वो लिखा है, और CPCT में आपके पास AB is equal to EC आ जाएगा. Similarly, second figure में PQ is equal to FR आ जाएगा. Now what is given to us? This is what I have written here. This is given to us. This is what I have written. In the next page, I am going to write, instead of AB, I am going to write EC. Instead of PQ, I am going to write FR. Now I have AB is equal to EC, PQ is equal to FR, and this is given to us. Instead of AB, I have written EC, and instead of PQ, I have written FR. And here multiply numerator as well as denominator by 2. So I'll have EC by FR is equal to AC by PR is equal to AE by PF, because 2 times AD is AE, 2 times PM is equal to PF. It shows triangle ACE is similar to triangle PRF. So it implies angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Similarly, angle 5 is equal to angle 6. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 4 plus 6. It means angle A is equal to angle P. So in triangle ABC and PQR, sides are proportional. Angle A is equal to angle P. So by SAS criteria of similarity, both the triangles are similar. Question number 35. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder as shown in the figure. If the height of the cylinder is 5.8 cm and its base is of radius 2.1 cm, find the total surface area of the article. Now this article is given to you. Here R is 2.1 cm, height is 5.8 cm. Now total surface area of the article is curved surface area of the cylinder plus area of the sphere, because if we join these two hemispheres, it will become one sphere, that is 2 pi RH plus 4 pi R square. Now 2 pi R common ले लो, H plus 2R in the bracket, you will have 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.1. In the bracket you will have 5.8 plus 2 into 2.1. So after solving this, you will get 132 square centimeter. After solving this, you will get 132 centimeter square. Now section E. This section comprises 3 case study based questions of 4 marks each. Case study 1. 36th question. SL World is one of India's largest amusement parks that offers a diverse range of thrilling rides, water attractions and entertainment options for visitors of all ages. The park is known for its iconic Water Kingdom section, making it popular destination for family outings and fun-filled adventures. The ticket charges for the park are rupees 150 per child and rupees 200 per adult. Now here they have provided you with a figure. यहाँ पर rides बनी हुई हैं and I have made a rough sketch of that, but there is a picture of thrilling rides here. On a day, the cashier of the park found that 300 tickets were sold and an amount of 55,000 was collected. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. Number 1. If the number of children visited be X and number of adults visited be Y, then write the given equation algebraically. Second, how many children visited the amusement park that day? Its B part is, how many adults visited the amusement park that day? Third question, how much amount will be collected if 250 children and 100 adults visit the amusement park? Now answer of the first question is, number of children visited is X. Charges for the park per child is 150 rupees. So money collected on that day is 150X. Number of adults visited is Y. Charges for the park per adult is rupees 200. So money collected from the adults on that particular day is 200y. And equation becomes now 150x plus 200y is equal to 55,000. Now total tickets sold on that day is 300. So tickets purchased by children and adults, that means equation becomes x plus y is equal to 300. So algebraically we have two equations. One is 150x plus 200y is equal to 55,000. The other one is x plus y is equal to 300. That is the answer of the first question. On the next page we will find how many children visited the amusement park on that day. Then we will find how many adults visited the amusement park on that day. It means we are going to find the value of x and y on the next page. I have applied elimination method to find the value of x and y, and you all know how to find the value of x and y. Now this is 150x plus 200y is equal to 55,000. X plus y is equal to 100. Multiply this second statement with 200 and we will get these statements, and after subtracting it we will get the value of x, which is 100. It means 100 children visited the park on that day. Now substitute this value of x in any of the equations. I have substituted that value in x plus y is equal to 300. So value of y is equal to 200. It means 200 adults visited the park on that particular day. Now the answer of the third question is money collected if 250 children and 100 adults visited the park. Now 250 multiply 150 plus 100 multiply 200. That will come out to be 57,500 rupees. That is the answer of the third part. Now case study 2, 37th question. A garden is in the shape of a square. The gardener grew sapling of Ashoka tree on the boundary of the garden at the distance of 1 meter from each other. He wants to decorate the garden with rose plants. He chose a triangular region inside the garden to grow rose plants. In the above situation, the gardener took help from the students of class 10th. They make a chart for it which looks like a given figure. Now they have provided you with this figure. This is point P, this is Q, this is R. They haven't provided you with these coordinates, but I have written here these coordinates. Coordinates of P are 46, R 65, Q 32. Now based on the above, answer the following questions. First question is, if A is taken as origin, what are the coordinates of the vertices of PQR? This is point A, this is B, this is C, this is D. He has taken A as the origin and he is asking for the coordinates of the points PQR, which I have already written. So answer of our first question is there on this page. Now the second question, A part. Find distance PQ and PR. I have found the distance of PQ and PR on the next page. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining points PR in the ratio 2:1 internally. Again, answer of this question is on the next page. And there is one more question, third question is there, which I have written on the next. Now the third question is find out if triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. Now the first question is, what are the coordinates of the vertices of PQR? Coordinate of P are 46, coordinate of R 65, coordinate of Q 32. Second question, find the distance PQ and QR. The distance of PQ, I have applied distance formula here. This comes out to be root 17. And QR, again distance formula, and the answer is 3 root 2. Now third question, find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the point PR in the ratio 2:1 internally. This is the line segment. Coordinate of PR 46, coordinate of R 65, and let this point is S. Coordinate of S is X and Y. This divides this line segment in the ratio 2:1, and I am to find the coordinate of X and Y. X is equal to 16/3, Y again comes out to be 16/3. So coordinates of S, which is X and Y, are 16/3 and 16/3. Now the third part is find out if PQR is an isosceles triangle. Coordinate of P 46, R 65 and Q 32. So I am to find the distance between PR, RQ and PQ. Distance between PQ is root 17. Distance between QR is root 3 root 2. Distance between QR is 3 root 2. And distance between RP is root 5. So all sides are of different length. So it is not an isosceles triangle. Now case study 3. Question number 38. Activities like running and cycling reduce stress and the risk of mental disorders like depression. Running helps build endurance. Children develop stronger bones and muscles and are less prone to gain weight. The physical education teacher of school has decided to conduct an inter-school running tournament in his school premises. The time taken by a group of students to run 100 meters was noted as follows. This sort of picture is there on your question paper. This is a running track. These are the students. I have made a rough figure of it. तो वहाँ पर आपके क्वेश्चन पेपर के ऊपर एक इस तरह का फिगर था जिसपे एक रनिंग ट्रैक बना हुआ था और उस पे स्टूडेंट्स थे और वो जो उस ट्रैक पे रन कर रहे थे. तो इस तरह का पिक्चर उन्होंने प्रोवाइड किया था स्टूडेंट्स को. नाउ टाइम इन सेकेंड्स 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. This time is in seconds. And number of students 8, 10, 13, 6 and 3. Based on the above information, answer the following question. First is, what is the median class of the above given data? Second is, find the mean time taken by students to finish the race. Or its B part is, find the mode of the above given data. Third is, how many students took time less than 60 seconds? Answer of the third part is, how many students took time less than 60 seconds? That is 8 plus 10 plus 13. That is 31 students took time less than 60 seconds. On the next page, I'll explain median class of the above given data and I'll find the mean and mode of the above given data. Now here time is given here, number of students is here and I have written cumulative frequency here. Here n is 40. 40 upon 2 is, that is 20. So the cumulative frequency which is more than 20 is this 31. So this line, so check this line, and 40 to 60 is the median class. So first answer is, they are asking for the median class, that is 40 to 60. Now find the mean of this data. So I have applied the direct method. So this is Fi, this is Xi, this is Fi Xi, and total of Fxi is total of Fi Xi is 1720 and total of F is 40. Mean is equal to sigma Fi Xi upon sigma Fi, that is 43. So that is the answer. And its second question B part, time. This is time, this is Fi, and I am to find mode. This is the highest frequency. So this is F0, F1, F2, and here L is 40, H is 20. Write the formula for mode. Just substitute the values. You will get 46 is the mode. So that is the answer. This question I have already discussed. How many students took time less than 60 seconds? There are 31 students took time less than 60 seconds.